Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Geek where we dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, we're going to be talking or looking into the best option trading platforms and apps available right now. Choosing the right platform makes the difference between and smooth execution and accurate analysis and consistent performance. What so many choices With so many choices built specifically for options, you will need to know which one suits your style of trading the most. We start by understanding what option trading platforms are, and these are software tools used to analyze the market, place option trades and manage your position in real time. They are bridge between you and the exchanges, giving you access to option chains, execution control and the risk management tools you will need to trade efficiently. When you are logged into the platform, you should be able to view option chains of stocks, index, commodities and currencies. Check the risk analysis, different strategies like spread, credit spread and scandals, and instantly see the risks and po ten tial reward before setting an order. This is why selecting a platform that balances speed, accuracy and reliability is a key step for every trader, no matter the level of experience. Now, at a very core, what makes a good option trading platform is how well it lets you one, find the right trading idea quickly, two, see the option chain and Greek clearly. The third will be build multi-leg strategy in just a few clicks. The fourth will be manage the risk and margin before making a mistake. The fifth will be execution of trades very fast with reliable field during volatile markets. And the last but not the least will be track positions and adjust them whenever you are even from mobile. So the best option trading platform are what will break down them categorically and give you the real details of what makes each of them worth your time and money. The first we'll be looking at will be the for option trading will be the cTrader. The cTrader provides a professional level charting and market analysis tools with modern interface than the MetaTrader's platform. This platform excel in providing clean and detailed charts that helps the market timing for option strategy. The cTrader backtesting capabilities allows you to test your trading concepts and time your strategies. You can validate your market analysis approach before applying them to option trading decisions. Like other analysis platform, cTrader does not support direct option trading. You use it to develop market insights and timing skills that enhance your option trading performance on dedicated broker platform. The professional grade analysis tools make the cTrader particularly valuable for traders who want institutional market analysis combined with option trading execution elsewhere. The second platform we are going to look at for trading the option is called the Think or Swim by Charles Shepwell. Now, thinkorswim is often considered the gold standard for retail option trading platform. And this platform gives you access to some of the most advanced option tools available to individual traders. You get a complete option chain with all the Greek display clearly, advanced scanning capabilities and a strategic analyzer that lets you test different scenario before you risk real money. The platform excels in several key areas. Firstly, the analysis tabs let you build complex strategies and see exactly how they perform under different market conditions. You can adjust your volume, your volatility assumption, change the underlying price and see how time delay affects your position. Dis valuable dis invaluable when you are planning credit spread or iron condors. Now the mobile app maintains most of the desktop functions, which means that you can carry complex option positions from anywhere. You can build multi-leg spread and check your Greek and adjust orders all from your phone. However, the thinkorswim does have some drawbacks rather. The platform can be overwhelming for beginners. Due to its extensive feature set, the learning curve is steep and you may find yourself spending weeks just learning how to navigate effectively. Also, some advanced features requires additional data subscription that adds to your monthly cost that adds to your monthly cost. So the next trading platform to trade our option is called our TradingView. We make use of our TradingView, and the TradingView has become the standard for online charting and market analysis. Why not why not primarily an option trading platform? It provides excellent tools for timing option trades and analyzing the market condition that affect option prices. The charting capabilities are unmatched in the retail space. You can have access to virtually any market, apply hundreds of technical indicators and create custom studies. Dis comprehensive analysis help you identify optimal entries and exit points from your option strategy. The social feature also allow you to experiment, to follow experienced traders and see the market analysis. Many professional option traders share their setup and market outlook on TradingView. TradingView alert system is particularly very good for option traders. You can set up complex alerts based on price action, technical indicators and complex and volatility changes. Dis alert help you to stay on top of your game, on top of opportunities without consis ten tly monitoring the market. The platform integrated with some brokers for direct trade execution, but dis feature is limited for option trading. Most user analyze on TradingView and den execute their option strategy on the preferred broker that supports trading the option. That's the main limitation of the TradingView, and it does not provide option specific analysis tools such like the Greek calculation, strategy backtesting or option change analysis. You will need to combine it with dedicated option platform for complete functionality. Now the next platform that we can use to trade our our option can be is called the MetaTrader 4. Now the MetaTrader 4 remains popular for Forex and CDF trading, and many traders use it for general market analysis that informs their option trading decisions. While MetaTrader 4 does not support traditional quality equity option trading, it provides excellent charting tools and analysis tools. The platform's strength lies in the technical analysis capability and automated trading system. However, the analysis skills and market understanding you develop using MetaTrader 4 enhance your option trading performance when combined with a dedicated option trading platform. So this MetaTrader 4 is mostly used for analyzing, then you trade your options on your preferred dedicated option platform. The last but not the least platform that we can use in trading our option trading is called the MetaTrader 5, and MetaTrader 5 builds on the MT4 foundation with additional market access and improved analysis tools. For option traders, the MT5 provides better multi-time frame analysis and more sophisticated technical indicators. Now, this platform includes an economic calendar, market sentiment tools, and fundamental analysis capability. The feature helps you to identify when market condition favors specific option strategy like volatility play or directional bets. The MT5 depth of market feature shows order book information for supported instruments. While this does not directly apply to option trading, understanding the market depth concept improve your ability to time entries and exit on your option trading strategy. The platform supports more advanced order types and automatic trading system compared to the MT4. The programming environment allows sophisticated analysis that can perform option trading decision. Remember, like the MT4, the MT5 does not provide direct option trading capabilities. You use it for analysis and market understanding. Then you execute your option strategy on your dedicated broker platform. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you wouldn't miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.